Yeah.
All systems go.
All systems go. So we're
Connor's making a trip hazard.
Connor's had a haircut.
Oh, don't pick on me today.
Connor.
Today.
Why?
Connor. Good haircut.
Yeah.
It's fresh.
It's very short.
Who did it?
No one.
No one. Did you do it yourself?
No.
Amy do it.
No.
Ben did it.
Mate, it'd be bold if it was me.
Yeah, bandit.
Make him look like a...
You come out the army.
A little...
Right then, so we're at the garage, if you haven't already noticed, and we're going to attempt to start stripping the van.
Oh yeah.
So it's not another trip hazard, Connor?
Trip hazard. Where there's a blame, there's a claim. Are you looking forward to the trip?
I am, yeah. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous.
So we're planning something for like a Wednesday vid, because the Wednesday videos, I'm blind again. I don't know if the Wednesday, that's even brighter, look.
Yeah.
The Wednesday videos are going to be fun day videos, so we're doing Wednesday videos too. And is Amber? Is that better? I literally can't even see myself.
Wait, change the light colour.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tell the audience what it feels like.
Wow, very blinded.
I can't see shit now. Yes, you're going to enjoy the Wednesday video. If you want to have a laugh and like to be in immediate danger, Wednesday videos are for you. We're going to get stuck or something's going to happen drastic. Like
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Right then,
So we've got gorilla tape.
we definitely need lots of gorilla and lots of cookies. Gorilla tape and cookies. What do we need?
Definitely gorilla tape, mate. Man down. And cookies.
Oh. So we're stripping the front end off.
Just to use fucking gorilla tape. You gotta leave that.
Right then, that's the majority of the van completed.
Hang on.
Huh?
Bumper corner, isn't there?
Hey, just I can do what?
Take this away.
Okay.
I'm not breaking it.
Box. Impact.
They won't even go in there. That one won't. That needs some Shine Automotive WD-40.
Ask him how he gets some sponsors. Do we have to just message people?
I think so. Should we just
We
do
have
it? We have a garage. Would you consider sponsoring us? I know you're watching Shine Automotive, my brother. How did you get sponsored by Autogleam? No.
WD-40.
WD-40. If you actually want to buy some of these parts as souvenirs, just let us know in the comments below.
Big wonky doors, all that.
Some people actually do that.
What, a wonky door?
Ah, you. Oh, that hurt. Just here go.
Screw jazz.
Yeah, stop being the thing. I'm suing.
Hey, we've stuck to what we said we were doing today.
Yeah.
We've done good.
Thanks a change. Oh, cheeky bastard.
Right. You would own a van, really? Kids.
Not that many. I was going to say, you go ragged in a minute.
Right then, we're killing the old content for the van. I'm going to move to the bike, so biking coming.
You literally do. Or if it stays over there,
can't
they're
see
not
it.
going to see it as much.
You do know I zoom in when you've got the most awkwardest faces.
Yeah, I noticed. Fucking a couple of times.
That's going behind, isn't it?
Punch ain't going to reach there either. You have to drill that one. I broke it.
Broken by.
Fucking
Where's the fuse box?
I don't fucking know. Yeah, I'm what did you have with?
Just want to punch through these holes. What's that? That one weird.
Check out this fuse box. Ha!
Good.
What a nail.
Honestly.
You not got bolts?
Connor. Connor. Has he gone to the bathroom again? We need, if you don't mind, my brother.
Whiteboard rubber.
No, obviously when this goes there, they need to be as flat as possible. Because they've got to sit under there and then that's got to sit underneath.
Right.
That's the problem we're going to have now.
How much room have you got once that's on now though?
No. That sits right on top.
Does it sit flush?
Yes. It's so we can't pop to it really.
We could maybe extend these holes out at the bottom. And then I'll have adjustment on it. Because when you've been tightened 10 mil off, you'll be able to adjust it, won't you? And then you can have a little bit of space there, maybe stick a 10 mil nut in, but you'll have to mount that on first. Do you know what I mean? So if I extend these holes,
So you got movement.
yeah, then you can slide that up and down, sort of thing. Yeah, and then
There's no.
We'll do the back ones up first.
That's like something out of Stu's toolbox.
It fucking is. That's being generous.
Wonky screwdriver. For on there.
Oh yeah, I only need one.
So it hops.
for the box and for the tank.
So it hops under, innit?
Yeah.
I was trying to put them on the washer on, no one was holding it.
We were just admiring things.
Yeah, you just
We're just chin wagging.
General chit chat.
Talking about your mum cutting your hair and all sorts.
Yeah, well, I don't ever have time to do anything.
We're not complaining that she cut your hair, but
No,
you kind
we're
of. I don't know which way these flatheads should go. I think that way I do.
Which way?
Yeah, Sammy.
What, with the angle on?
She looks like a rough bike. Like she's been through the wall, but she looks good.
Like off Great Escape.
Steve McQueen.
Yeah, like his bike.
I don't know who that is.
It's way
You got a
before
clue.
your time, Connor.
You ain't got a clue, bro.
That's fucking right. Here, Connor, swap sides.
Yep.
With the dick, you prick.
Well, I'm only reminding you. No one.
Just get a new one, Connor.
Put a hinge there. Put a padlock that side.
Don't fuck. Stu goes to a bike shop, gets too excited, buys a bike off Scouts. One wall of life. Don't buy anything from Scouts. So Stu goes and buys a bike off the Scouts. It looks shiny.
It was shiny.
It was blinged. It was so lovely. How are we gonna fucking fit that?
I don't know.
Come on.
The only plausible way of mounting it is from the inside. You bolt it to it, but then you'd have to take the seat off again and do that, and then put the seat on. But it's a big headache, isn't it? It's stressful
It's
for
just
me.
a fucking money pit.
So the bike's, I'd say complete, just needs a good polish. Got to fit the, running out of time today, got to fit that. But she's completed. It's very dirty because of the dust, but other than that. Cafe Racer. I don't like cafe racers, but I bought this one.
What these look like in this one.
That fail, because you can't fucking see them really.
Yeah, you fucking. If you can't see them, man, you're stupid.
I mean, up close. They look nice. They look well. They look really well. Start her up. No petrol. Yep, I'm in love. Right then, so this is the outro because I'm going home because I'm tired.
This is the outro.
I'm absolutely knackered. I don't know how these two manage to do this day in and day out on a daily basis. I'm too tired. But in my defence, saying that though, editing makes me tired. For the past couple of weeks, I've been non-stop editing.
He's all fucking drained.
I am all fucked.
Another 2 hours work, mate.
So, from us lot, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode. And remember, don't listen to yourself.
Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. Smash it out.
I'm so tired. I swear to God, I'm tired. So yes, from me, Stokes, and these two, remember, keep
it real.
Oh, fuck, I swear to God.
Come on, man. I'm finishing your selling.
Right then. So from us, the dream team, as we've been dubbed, thank you for watching, and until next time, don't limit yourself, and yeah, peace out. We've got a proper collection here, ladies and gentlemen. An old Land Rover, Volvo, flat. It's got the keys in the ignition. I mean, there, look. Very weird contraption. I hate that stuff. Should be banned. Oh my God. A Nissan K10. Anybody want any wheels? Bloody hell. There's an hole there.